Hey ladies, we're talking about something fun today, something flirty. How to get his attention without walking up to him and saying, "Hey, I like you." Because, let's be real, that's terrifying. And also, where's the fun in that? The best flirting is subtle. It's playful. It makes him wonder. It leaves him thinking about you later, replaying the moment in his head, asking himself, wait, was she flirting with me? But before that, there's something you need first. A foundation. You can't just walk up and do these moves if you're frozen with fear or if he doesn't even know you exist. You need to build a little confidence. You need to get on his radar. You need to kill that shyness. Today, we're starting there. Here are 5 flirty moves to get his attention. Move 1. The radar move. Build confidence and get on his radar first. Before any flirting happens, you need 2 things. A little bit of confidence and a little bit of familiarity. You can't do the cute moves if you're shaking every time he looks at you. So, let's start there. First, practice being around him without pressure. Sit near him in class. Walk past his locker, not to stare, just to exist in his orbit. Let him start to notice your face. Familiarity kills fear. The more you're around him, the less your heart will race. Second, give yourself a small confidence boost before you even leave the house. Wear something that makes you feel good. Listen to a pump-up song. Tell yourself, I'm cute. I'm interesting. He'd be lucky to talk to me. Sounds silly? It works. Confidence isn't about being the loudest or the prettiest. It's about believing you belong in the room. Once you've done that, now you can do a tiny low-pressure interaction. A simple hi in passing. A nod. A small smile. That's it. Nothing big. Just enough to break the ice of being complete strangers. Now you're on his radar. Now he knows your face. Now the next moves actually work. This one takes a little strategy. You know his routine. You know where he walks between classes. You don't need to stalk him. That's not cute. But you can casually position yourself in places where your paths might cross. The hallway near his locker. The staircase he uses. The lunch line he stands in. When you're near him, you don't need to talk. Just exist. Be seen. Let him start to notice that you're around. Familiarity builds comfort. And comfort is the first step to attraction. After a few days of this, he'll start to recognize your face. He'll start to wonder who you are. And then, when you finally make eye contact or say hi, it won't feel random. It'll feel like a connection. Move 3. The question you already know the answer to. Here's how you do it. Walk up to him with a little confidence. Smile. Ask your question. He answers. Then you say thank you with a little extra warmth. And then this is the key. You don't run away. You linger for just a second. Make eye contact again. Smile again. Then walk away. That lingering moment, that's what he'll remember. It turns a boring question into a moment of connection. And suddenly, you're not just the girl who asked about the homework. You're the girl who smiled at him in a way that made him feel something. Move 4. The look and look away, with a tiny smile. Then a few moments later, you glance back. Just for a second. Just to see if he's still looking. Chances are, he is. This move is powerful because it's a question. It says, I see you. Do you see me? It creates curiosity. He'll spend the rest of the day wondering what that smile meant. And wondering about you. Move 5. The compliment that's not about his looks. This is the closer. Anyone can say you're cute. That's fine, but it's obvious. It's also hard to respond to. What is he supposed to say? Thanks. Awkward. Instead, compliment something specific about his personality, his vibe, or something he did. Try, you're actually really funny, you know that? Or you always seem so calm, even when everyone else is stressed. I noticed that. Or that was a really good point you made in class today. See the difference? These compliments show you're paying attention to who he is, not just what he looks like. They make him feel seen. And being seen? That's way more powerful than being called cute. Now here's the secret to all of this. None of these moves work if you're not genuinely confident. Not fake confidence. Not performative confidence. Just being okay with who you are. Smile like you mean it. Walk like you belong. Don't overthink every little thing. That's why we started with move 1. Building confidence. Getting on his radar. Killing the shyness. Everything else flows from there. Once you feel comfortable just existing near him, the flirting becomes easy. It becomes natural. It becomes fun. The most attractive thing you can wear? It's not a cute outfit. It's not perfect hair. It's being comfortable in your own skin. That energy, he feels it before you even say a word. Start with move 1 this week. Just build that foundation. Get comfortable. Get on his radar. Then try one of the other moves. The hallway proximity. The question. The look and look away. The personality compliment. Pick one. Do it. See what happens. And then come back to the comments and tell us how it went. Now I want to hear from you. Which move are you trying first? And ladies who've done something like this before, what worked for you? Spill the tea in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe because here at Sci Signs we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.